Port Arthur, Texas, right after another hurricane. Check out my blog at www.angelastevens.blog. Hi, this is Tan Stevens reporting here live in Port Arthur, where the devastation of the latest hurricane Delta has brought down the windy sign. As you can see, it was a massive sign that was taken down by the winds. And if you look from your left to your right, you'll see that all of these businesses has lost power. What would typically be a very busy day here on the weekends in Port Arthur has turned to be a ghost town of devastation. Check out my blog and you will see what I have to say about Port Arthur and the Gulf Coast and all of these storms.